Gold has always been a place for people to store their money. It makes sense because gold maintains its value, especially when paper currencies like the dollar are dropping in value. History has shown us time and time again how wealthy individuals have survived major recessions and downturns in the market by simply buying large amounts of gold and silver and holding it like a tangible savings account. The good news is, however, there's a type of gold for everyone. If someone wants to invest a small amount, they may decide to purchase gold coins. Those with larger amounts of money may purchase bars or high-grade gold that they can store in a vault facility or a safety deposit box. But gold isn't just meant to use as a hedge or a diversifier. It's also used to pass down generational wealth from one generation to the next. It's how families have passed off their wealth for hundreds of years. Many retirees are sitting on large amounts of money that they've saved over the years for retirement specifically. And if this is done correctly, many will end up with capital that they may never spend in their lifetime. That's the money that is more than likely going to go to the next generation or be passed off to your loved ones in one form or another. The key here is that if you leave that capital sitting in the US dollar prior to passing it on, it can lose a significant amount of purchasing power before the next generation ever even sees a dime of it. It's real good information to make sure you keep yourself on track with your actual money and learning how to diversify properly. If you'd like to get more information on how to protect your assets for generational wealth, you can pick up U.S. Money Reserve's latest gold information kit. It's right here. It's great information. Talks a lot about diversifying your money within gold as well as protecting money to pass on as generational wealth. So please click on the link below or call the number on your screen to get your copy. If you find this information useful, we encourage you to like and share this video. If you're watching us from YouTube, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a single episode. I'm U.S. Money Reserve's Patrick Brunson, and as always, thank you for watching Market Insights.